Well, happy day, everybody, and welcome to some Buffalo Triple Power, you guys. There they are, the Triple Powers. I don't know what I'm saying. The Triple Power Buffalo. Okay, we are in the high limit room here at Peppermill, and it is super loud, you guys, which means I can be super loud. Woohoo! 5 cent, 10 cent, 25, and 50 cents. We are doing dime denomination. Let's take a look at our progressives up there. It's way up there too. The minor 1,000, the major 5,000, and that grand $58,102. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of triple power dollars, you guys. Oh, I can't wait. Can we get it? I don't know. All we need to do is land one of those gold bags on Buffalo Bucks, press it, and it can be there, you guys. That's it. That's all we have to do. Sounds so simple, right, you guys? Sounds so simple. Okay, my card is in. Our lucky $100 bill is in there. Let's get our volume all the way up so we can start our triple power partay, you guys. Now, we're in the high limit room, which means, you know, we kind of have to bet like rich people. So $8 minimum bet, you guys. I almost thought I said a bad word there when I said bet. I don't know. Okay, here we go. $8. Let's do it to it. As you can see, our two barrels are not very full. But, you know, they're all just for looks, you guys. It's all for looks, so you never know what can happen. Now we need to get... No, thank you. We need to get... Actually, I'm sorry. Can I get a Diet Pepsi in like a... You guys, what did I just say? And I had to order a Diet Pepsi because Bigfoot is empty. But he's very mad at me. I'm very mad at you, Aunt. And you want to know why, you guys? I have a pink drink from Starbucks, and I'm not using him. I'm very upset. I don't like this pink drink, you guys. Okay, you guys, I don't know what's happening. We got a bonus. We got the gold and the rising. When I was turning around, I don't even know what's happening. Okay, you guys ready? You ready to do this? I'm so ready. I've been talking for a minute as we have... Stop talking, Ant. You guys are doing it all for the ant colony. Let's go. I'm so excited. We got a bonus. And neither one was the one that was full. Oh my gosh, we got to retrigger. Greedy? I stayed quiet because you know how greedy I am. I wanted the third one. You guys, we were on rich person betting. Oh, what is happening? Are you serious? Greedy gambler, one more? One more? We got a buffalo head and a retrigger. Here's our games right down here, you guys. 2 of 18. So loud, you guys. Oh my gosh, almost all the way across. Almost all the way across. How much is that? Oh, I think I saw 130 something. How much is it? Hello? There it is, $138, you guys. Oh, I'm pressing it. 146. Coins. I got my pink drink, you guys. Let's not talk about it, Ant. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, Bigfoot. He's been very upset all the drive over here, you guys, because I stopped at Starbucks. Oh no. Oh my gosh. I don't know again how much all that was. Wasn't paying attention. $74. I even have my charcoal gray ring on. We're over $200, you guys. Coin. Oh my gosh. That could have been amazing. It still is amazing, you guys. $250 now. Where's our buffalo heads? One more. We got it. And there was one on the edge of glory. You know, I'm always looking at the edge of glory, you guys. EOG. Uh-oh, come on, Ant. Do it to it. Do it to it. Oh, loud. Where are our buffalo heads, though? We've only collected one. Okay, there we go. Got our second one. Oh my gosh! Not even gonna pay attention to that edge of glory, even though I just did. Wow. Are you serious? I have to do my first one. Stop it! 12 of 33? Wow. I need some of my pink drink. I love their pink drinks. It is so good. Come on, Ant, don't slow down. What do we get there? Some queens? And some birdies and some kitty cats. Okay. Oh, and some jacks. We got it all, you guys. Oh, buffaloes. Oh, we got some of them, though. And kitty cats all the way across, you guys. $90, you guys. We're over $350 now. Come on, coins, you can keep coming. Isn't it shocking that we've only collected 2 buffalo heads? Come on, dings. Ding more. Don't slow down. Don't slow down. There's 3. One more to change our birdies. Okay, a little more. I think we're close to 400. Okay, well, oh, we did get 400. I was going to say that, the math doesn't math, you guys. Oh, this is exciting. I'm so excited. One more. Do it. I saw it go by. There we go. Finally. Bye-bye birdie, you guys. One more. Uh-oh. The breathing room is lessening and lessening. 3 more games. Can we do it? Can we do it? $450. We're over $450. Any more coins want to come out? 2 more spins. One more. Uh-oh. Last game. Wow, you guys. Wow. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Got my diet, you guys. 452. Stop it, dollars, you guys. We were only in for $40 when we got those 2. Well, they were already super low. Wow, people are winning back there, you guys. We were, okay, you know what I was going to say. They were already super low, and we hit it. That's still where it was. You guys, let me fill up Bigfoot. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, I am back. Bigfoot is nice and full. Yes, I am, everybody. And he got a really good laugh. Yes, I did. Those people are hollering at us. Yes, they are, Bigfoot. I think they're happy for our win. What I was going to say is Bigfoot sure got a laugh. Yes, I did. I spilled on Ant. Yes, you did, Bigfoot. I was filling him up, and the soda spilled all over my leg, you guys. Anyway, Bigfoot's nice and full. I think he's not quite as sulky as he was before. And you don't know that. You still got that pink drink. I know, Bigfoot. I'm trying to finish it so it can get out of here. That would be nice. Okay, you guys, I need to stop this. Okay, 513, ticket high. Let's keep going. Now, as we saw, it doesn't matter if those things, they're just for looks. Let's do it again. Let's get that green. Or can we get a triple pop? That's 40. Oh my gosh, I got hiccups because I took a sip of Bigfoot. That's 51. New ticket hot. Oh my gosh, more Bigfoot, stop that. Okay, Bigfoot, I know, I blame you for everything. Oh, do it. Oh, now if we get 3 coins, we're guaranteed at least 1 bonus. But if we get 1 coin, it's possible. Come on, Ant, you can do this. We've already done it for the colony. But let's do it again. Do it. Oh, we got something there, though. 21 bucks. You guys, I'm liking this. Another 21 bucks. Keep it going. Keep this. Oh, it was rising. Oh my gosh, you got, oh my gosh, stop it. Oh my gosh, that was so loud. We got golden rising again, you guys. It's a golden rising.
Rising!
I know, golden rising, gold and rising, get it? Golden rising. You guys, stop talking, Ant. We just need free money this time. Free, all free, you guys, free money. 1 of 8. Here we go. Oh, so exciting. Twice now. And you guys know how hard this game can be. 17 bucks. 1 more. Oh, now you're gonna give us the heads? Coins. You know how this game works. We need coins. Do it again like last time. Lots of coins to start. Uh-oh. Hello? Hello? Why do we get there? I don't know. Oh, jacks. Okay, we got jacked, you guys. We got jacked. Oh, we got Elky Poo for $8. We got 2 more games, you guys. We need those coins bad. Do it! Oh my gosh, 1 more game. Well, we got some buffaloes and some 9s. I don't know how much that was. $42. Guys, we went over 75 bucks. That's really good. I mean, for an $8 bet, okay, not super hot. It was more along the lines of meeting tortellini, but it was a bonus. We're up to 606 now. I can't believe we got another one. Okay, go. Come on, Ant. Okay, now it feels like a library in here, you guys. Keep going, buffaloes. Keep it going. I want that red and purple again. You know, we kind of need a bonus redemption after that one. I'd say big time bonus redemption, everybody. I agree. Green? No green. Jacks? Ooh, $1. That was kind of like a rug burn, you guys. $1. Uh-oh, we're sliding. What's happening here? Poopy loopy buffalo triple power. Have you guys kind of felt the shift in the game? Do it, more. Uh-oh, we've almost given back 100 now. Getting quite concerning. Do it, the 2. Nope. Come on, Ant, get this train a truckin'. Oh, we're below 500 now. Okay, couple more spins, and I'm gonna change denoms. All right, what is that noise? All right, let's do this. Hello? Okay. And let's do this. Let's try some 8 over here at nickels. Oh my gosh, do it. First spin, growage. Come on, Ant. Oh, at times 3. 15, okay. We're getting a little action over here on nickels. Oh, guys. Oh. $3. What are you thinking, Bigfoot? I don't know, Aunt. I don't have any suggestions at this point. I kind of don't either. $12. I guess I'm just going to continue to push this button. I'm not... It might just be on takedown mode. And that's, as we all know, how this game can be. I do have my eye on a Timberwolf down there, though. I don't want to get back all our profits. Now, we're only in for 100, which is good. But we were over 6. Okay, that's $20. I was thinking 40 because we were not on dimes, and get it together. I don't have things together, you guys. All right, something is telling me go back to dimes. I'm going back to dimes. Wait a second. What is quarters? What is quarters? Are you serious? Oh no, we're not that rich, you guys. We're barely even rich to do $8. All right, this is what my heart was kind of telling me to do. I don't know if it's the right thing, though. Although that doesn't really even make sense. My heart was telling me to do this, but yet it wasn't. I don't know, you guys. Oh, it's quiet, though. Oh, boy. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. Look at this. And look at, we were at a 0-0. That's when I was going to hop off and go down to our Timberwolf. But we just got 150. Stop it, dollars. We're up to 450. Okay. Keep going, Ant. Keep going. That Buffalo Bucks now is glowing, which means it is, well, you know, it's just for fake, but it's now the biggest it can get. Oh, do it. Oh, another $45. Bigfoot, I need a sip. Okay, as long as you're not going to take a sip from that pink drink thingy. I'm not. Oh, that Diet Pepsi is yummy, you guys. Okay, 45. Let's keep going. 461. Two more. Bucks? Nope. Bucks? It just lands up there so quietly, and it's just like, ding. Uh-oh. Do it. Come on, Ant. You can do this. Do it for the colony. I mean, everybody's just standing by, watching, waiting. Why does this green keep showing up but not showing out? Look at it again. The green needs to bring some of its friends, like the purple and the red. Uh-oh, 370. $350. That wonderful $150 line hit is reinvested back in the machine now. Come on, do it to it. Bonus. Oh. All right, 15. Guys, I think we're getting close. I really think we're getting close. I'm gonna stay. I'm staying. Come on, big line hit. Get us those coins. And make this happen. Get into, okay, I know what I need. I need to get into the yoga pose. I didn't need to get into the yoga pose for that, though. Whoosh, breathe, breathe. I don't even know what the breathing yoga pose is. Just do it. Just do it. Oh my gosh, $50. What did we get? Oh, we got the kings. Okay. Bigfoot, I think we're onto something. Maybe. Don't sulk, Bigfoot. It's okay. I better take some sips of this, you guys. Delicious. Oh, Bigfoot, you're turned around. He's upset. Okay, $2.50. Where is this bonus? Oops. I stopped it for 50 cents, you guys. Oh, green, get out of here. You need to, oh. Elky poo all the way across, you guys. How much? $60. $60. They're cheering for us for $60, you guys. Do it. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we put back $300. Well, you guys know this is how this game goes. It pays you nicely and then it takes you nicely. Do it. Don't do it, but you gotta do it. Do you guys think it's back on nickels? Do you think my aim was off? Try the $8 over here on nickels. $10, it's a win. Okay. I'd like to go to that next denoma, but there is no way. Oh, they're screaming for us a little prematurely. I was just going to say nickels is very quiet, isn't it? Oh my gosh, we're almost down to our original starting. Come on, Ant. No, it's not on nickels. This is quieter than dimes. At least dimes, we were getting a little something here and there. Oh, you guys, I'm destroying everything. Oh my gosh, please do it. Oh my gosh, that would have been the third. Do it. Elky poo? Little bit for $4. Okay, we are now back into our original money. Ooh, $23. Okay, back over our 100. Two more, do it. Darn you, bucks. All right, pink drink time. $76. Oh gosh, we're down to 70. Come on, 3 coins. My gosh, we've put back 600. Just one little bloop, bloop, and nothing. Oh, this is brutal. 2 more. You guys, our last spin. And our last spin for nothing. All right, you guys. Let's head down to Timberwolf Triple Power. Come on. After all that brutality, let's see if we can't make our money back on Triple Power. I'll be right back, you guys. All right, you guys, I moved down here to Timberwolf Triple Power. dime denom. Let's continue with our dimes. And let's get our volume all the way up so we can continue that amazing partay from down there, except for when he turned and started going downhill, you know, until that happened. So let's continue this. Come on, Timberwolf. Look at these pots, you guys. Now, we know, it doesn't matter, but they look pretty healthy, don't you guys think? What do you think, Bigfoot? Really healthy, Ant. Let's go, you guys. $8. I'm excited. 2 more. Oh my gosh, we got 2. But nothing. All right, $2. How about one of these wonderful wolf line hits? Or something? First 3 reels would be nice with the owls. That will substitute. Come on, Ant. You're, gosh, down to 51 already? Come on, dimes. Work for us. No, that didn't help. Oh. We got the last house on the left. Definitely don't want to go into that house, you guys. Oh my gosh, we're down in major danger zone. 2 more spins. Oh, we got some wolfie poo. $10, okay. It gives us a couple more spins. And we got another house, okay. Oh, almost, you guys, almost. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm not even paying attention. All right. Better get back in the black bank again, you guys. It's hurting. It's hurting bad. All right, I've got 2 more 50s going in. I don't know if these 50s are really being our friend. I think that's the last of my 50s. Yeah, it's the last. All right, here we go. We're staying with our dimes. What did we get there? Oh, we got kings all the way, couple of deer. 52, wonderful. Oh my gosh, we could have had 4, but we didn't have 4. Come on, Ant, do it to it. Let's make this exciting. We haven't seen a bonus in like 15 minutes, you guys. Anything? Hello? Is anybody even home? I don't think anybody's home in these slot machines, you guys. Wow, this is devastation. Ay, 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 ay. Just one little bonus, just one. Oh, we got it. We got it. We got it! Yes! Bloop, bloop, bloop. And we got kings all the way across, you guys. Okay, we got rising. Let's back us up a little bit. I think we're going to need to back up. Rising! All right, Rising. Can you come through for us, please? You guys, I've got to do this for you and an amazing bonus. I'm going to have to split my fingers. Do it! We need some big, amazing bucks, you guys. We've got 12 games right down here. Oh, yeah. Oh, we got houses all the way across, you guys. 200 stop it dollars, you guys. Yay! I'm dancing, you guys. This is how I dance in the forest, back and forth. Bigfoot, you are so silly. Just for that, I'm gonna put my pink drink over here. You guys, you can actually see I put my pink drink over there, off the slot machine. Thank you, Ant. I'm all happy now. Oh my God, you guys. I'm gonna help it out. Here we go. 233. Oh, I would have loved to have it ×3, but that's only because I'm greedy, you guys. I don't know. It's hard to get a re-trigger on this. It's real hard. But it would be great if we could get a re-trigger. All we need are those owls on the first 3. Or with a moon. Oh, we got it! Oh my gosh, we got it! I can't believe it! Stop it! That definitely deserves a stop it, you guys. 8 of 24 now. That's incredible. We're over $300. You guys, we're on our way. Because we're in for 400. 200 here and 200 there. Come on, ×3, ×5. Or more re-triggers, which would be next to impossible. Hello? Okay, there we go. Houses ×5. No. Just a little bit. Oh, that's where you'd want the times. Oh no, we got 10s. Give us the ×5 first, then re-trigger it. Oh, so many dead spins, you guys. Oh yes, ×3. Is that anything? Oh, it was a dead one. Oh, we got bears. $25. Thank you very much, Mr. Bear. Oh, yes, ×3. Oh, it was a nothing again. Three more games, I think? I don't know, something like that. I didn't see what that game paid. I'm too busy looking at the screen, you guys. Oh, $40. Okay. We need a big, last game. All wolves with the 3 and a 5. Super greedy, you guys. Oh my gosh. Almost. I almost got what I asked for, except for the 5 and a wolf. Get it together, Ant. That's the whole thing. Oh my gosh, we went over $450, you guys. Amazing. Wow. And was that was just on one. Oh my gosh, $514, you guys. We got it all back. 200 here and 200 there. Wait, we were just in for 200 over there. Yes, because we got it up to 600 and then I put it all back in and it was really Devastation Nation. Okay, yeah, calm down, Ant, calm down. Okay, you guys, we still have 2 up there that are really big. Let's see if anything else can happen. Because remember last time, we got it back to back over there pretty darn quick. Let's see what we can do over here. Come on, Ant. Get the train on the tracks. Keep it trucking. Do it, one more. Oh my gosh. Maybe? No, not maybe. Okay, so now we're in for 4. So 4 would be a break-even point. Ooh, 4. Do it. Oh my gosh. But one could do it. One could do it. But all 3 colors would be phenomenal, you guys. Do it? Nope. But the first 3 will guarantee it. Well, it would guarantee one of them. Come on, Ant. We can do this. Oh no, one more spin, you guys. Oh no, wait a second. That's $15. That buys us a couple more. Look at us go, you guys. Oh, that's gonna do it, you guys. I have to cash out there. At least we made our money back. We saw a whole bunch of bonuses. We got up a whole bunch of money over there on that machine, and you know, I put it back in, as so many of us do, because why? I'm greedy and I thought I could go higher. You guys, I so appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. Until we meet again on the next video, take care of yourselves. You know I love you lots. You guys have a fabulous day, and we'll see you next time. Bye, you guys.